What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another Karambit tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys the Vortex Extension. So if you watched my last video, it was called the Karambit Vortex, and if you haven't watched that yet, just go down in the description and click the link, and you can watch that video right now, and then you can come back to this video and learn the Vortex Extension. Because you're going to want to learn the Vortex before you learn the extension, because the extension it's just an extension. There's just a couple extra moves on it, right? It's not like a combo on its own. You have to learn the Vortex first. But you might be able to just learn that from this video. It's up to you. Anyways, first I'm going to show you what the Vortex Extension looks like, and you can see if it's something that you'd be interested in. So this is how the Vortex Extension goes. Now I'm going to be showing you how to do the Vortex Extension. So first, just like the Vortex, you're going to start by putting your knife sideways. You're going to flip it over your fingers while twisting your hand like that. Then you're going to flip it back, but instead of like the Vortex, you're going to open your fingers instead of catching the knife. You're going to open your fingers and you're going to let it fling around one full time and then hit your thumb, and then hit your fingers and then go back like this, right? So you're gonna put it sideways, flip it over your fingers, back, through your fingers, around, hit your thumb, hit your fingers, and then back. Sorry, I'm not sure if that's a great way to explain it, but you can see that's what it looks like. And I'm gonna give you guys a slow-mo right here. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that small Vortex Extension video. I'm going to be putting out another Karambit video or a butterfly knife video. So I want you guys to vote whether you want me to do a Karambit video or a butterfly knife tricks video. As you can see here, I have a butterfly knife trainer, and I'm definitely interested in doing some videos if you guys want that. But if you guys want more Karambit trick videos, I'll give you guys whatever you want, so you just decide. Just comment down below. Anyways, you guys have a good day.